Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here. Today we're going to be unboxing the February Ipsy bag. If you are new to my channel, I do beauty box unboxings, reviews, tutorials, and the occasional giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel hits 100 subscribers, we're going to be giving away free beauty products. So stay tuned for that because your odds are going to be awesome. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this on my own. If you are new to Ipsy, it is a $10 a month beauty subscription where they send out products for you to try once a month. They're usually either mainly deluxe sample size and some full-size products, but it's a great way for you to figure out what you like and what you love and what you're going to pass on. So let's dive into this box. So the first thing that I see is the card here that talks a little bit about each of the products and gives you little tips and everything on how to use them. And the first product, it's not actually in the little cosmetic bag itself. How cute is this bag though? Lips on it. I do like that it's more of a vinyl, and that way it's easy to wipe off makeup and such. Where it's a cloth one, it's a little harder to do that. So the first product that is not in the bag is this Luxy brush. And what it talks about here is the 243. It's mastered the art of high quality, vegan and cruelty-free brushes. This one has a tapered brush head that fits right into the contours of your eye, perfect for adding a subtle smoky effect or a definition to your eye looks. The tip: to get a quick smoky eye, apply shadow all over your lid, then use the brush to blend a darker shade onto the outer corners of your eye and up into your eye crease. Do that all the time. So here's what this looks like. And I do like the Luxy brushes. I have a couple others. And here's what this looks like. This does retail for $12, and this is a full-size brush. I am still on the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus waiting list. How long did it take you guys to get off that waiting list? And with the Glam Bag Plus, you get full-size products instead of sample size. Obviously, it does cost a little more to do so. So the first item I'm pulling out of the box is the Alternate Rock from the THEBALM eyeshadow. And this is part of their full eyeshadow palette. And what it looks like is this. It's kind of a cross between a very light violet and a gray. And here's what it swatches like. How pretty is that? You can almost use it as a highlighter. And what it says about this one is first off, it's cruelty-free. The products are pumped with girl power. If you're looking to stand out, this shimmery lilac with gray undertones, like I said, the violet and the gray, is your go-to highly pigmented, very buildable, and goes on buttery smooth. Use your finger to apply a light layer of shadow all over your lids. Add more to intensify the look. So the full palette of this retails for $27.50. This is obviously just one shade from that palette. The next item is this Kenzo Life Beat perfume. I don't mind getting perfume samples. I love putting them in. I have this little container here that I put all my little perfume samples in, and that way I can set this out for me to try in the future, and also for I put it in the guest room when I have guests over. It's something that they can try as well. So let's open this up here. So it looks like this. Let's kind of spray a little bit. Ooh, I really like that. I can get a scent, I smell a lot of vanilla out of this, and it's really pretty. I also get a little bit of citrus vibe. So what this is, it is the trend-setting fashion brand known for its feminine designs is also knitting in the fragrance game. One whiff of its citrusy floral scent and you'll be highly addicted. We're literally take it everywhere, portable sizes, fun for spritzing on the go. And it says, don't rub your wrists together after spritzing. This will make your scent last longer. I never knew that because I always used to rub my wrists together. And the retail price of this, if you were to buy this full size, is $54.99. The next item is from MAC. It is a Studio Fix powder foundation, and the shade that I got was NC30. And it kind of looks like this. Here's your foundation, and then it has a little applicator sponge here. Let's swatch this. You can see it there. I think that'll be a really good match for me. And what this one says is MAC celebrates individuality for all ages, races, and sexes. Love! This matte finish powder foundation gives medium to full coverage, which I really like. It goes on velvety smooth and blends like a dream. Plus the long-lasting streak free formula means your look will stay put all day. Start with a moisturized skin. Use a sponge or foundation brush to blend it all over your face. Need extra coverage? Add more. It is buildable. So this retails full size for $30. Oh, I'm super excited about this, you guys. This is from Canary London. I have here what we got in the last Ipsy bag in January. I have the Wonderland mascara, and I've been using this every day. I absolutely love it. You can build it up to a more bigger, dramatic look, or just leave it, you know, one coat for everyday look. It does not clump on me at all. I have a hard time finding mascaras that don't clump. This one is a dream, doesn't flake, love it. So anyway, this is the Canary London Glow 2 highlighter. And let's open it up here. Ooh, how pretty. It's almost like a light copper tone. Kind of looks like this. And then here is this, and let's just do a little bit of a swatch. Ooh, I really like this. I think this is going to be great for my skin tone. So here's what that looks like. And then what it says about this one is Ciate is known for its innovative formulas, and this illuminating powder is no exception. The champagne pink, which I think is very accurately describes it, is no exception. It is essentially a duochrome pearls that reflect lights to give a gorgeous lit from within glow. And you want to get a glowing look ASAP, sweep some of this highlighter over your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cupid's bow, and anywhere light naturally hits your face. I think I'm gonna really like this. This one retails full size for $29. Two products I did want to mention from last months that I've been enjoying every single day, besides the Canary London mascara, is the Ico eyeliner. Been using this all the time. Have it on now. And then the Firma blush brush. Been using this a lot. I've gotten a lot of use. Anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. I do have a link down below in the description box if you're interested in signing up with Ipsy. You know, it doesn't cost you anything extra. It helps me out a little bit, but you're under obviously no obligation to use that link if you want to sign up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It would mean a lot. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.